Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you a couple more things real quick. That one link that I was supposed to show you something cool, the cool thing won't show up directly in the link, but if you click here, what will happen eventually is that you'll be able to see the whole solar system. You'll be able to see, this is actually where everything is right now. So if you want to like zoom in, okay, so you can see the Earth is over here on this side of the sun. If any of you have been looking up at the night sky at night, you'll be able to see Venus very bright in the, let me think, as it sets in the western sky. So if you want to check out and see, if you see like that really bright thing in the western sky, that is Venus. Um, as you can see, you should be able to see Mars then at night in the eastern sky. Um, but as you can see, a lot of the other planets are not going to be visible because they're on the other side of the sun. So they'll only be visible during the day. Um, yeah. So, what else am I going to show you? A couple more things. Here is, I was kind of going through it, trying to see if there's anything that's confusing. Making sure that you have units in here. Okay, some things ask for something like how thick is it? Medium thick is Earth, very thin is Mercury. Interior layers, craters, erosion, all this stuff should be there. And if it's not, go ahead and take a look at the, like do an internet search and you can find out pretty quickly. Another thing I wanted to show you, okay, another thing I wanted to show you is this. When you're looking at the moons, if you want to know where the moons are that you're looking at, okay, so the main moons of Jupiter are Io, Europa, and Ganymede. Those are very cool, but if you scroll down, you can see Callisto's one that I might have you look at, Europa, Ganymede. I think I already had that one. But those are some of the moons of Jupiter that you might end up looking at. Some of these other ones don't have pictures, haven't been explored that much yet. The other moons that you might look at are moons of Saturn, which include Enceladus and Titan. Enceladus, I can't say that. I think those are the only ones. Calypso you might look at. Um, there's Iapetus, and I have to, somebody knows how to pronounce these better than me, but not me. Mimas. I think those are the main ones that you might study. You might recognize some of these as characters. I believe Shakespearean. I think all of Saturn's moons are Shakespearean, but I don't remember exactly. So there are some other moons here that you might look at. And I think that's it. Oh, and then there's some dwarf planets, which are here. If you have any other questions, please do email me, and I hope that I'll be able to help you. There's also this, if you're looking at some of the planets, there's a simpler, easier to read one about those. Oh yeah, I remember. If you're looking at, let's go to, I don't know, Uranus. So I'm going to grab Uranus real quick. I'm going to look down on the overview. I would highly recommend you read through the whole overview before you start going into your thing, because down here at the bottom is 10 need to know things about that planet. So make sure you do that. Go down and read that, because there's a lot of cool stuff down there, and that'll definitely help you. Okay, if you have any questions, email me, chat me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, have fun.